Super Dad here. Been a minute. Sorry, my apologies. Mama was in town. And anywho, so this round we're gonna do some baked Italian sausage and pepperoni rigatoni. It's not that bad. Be right back. Just some diced sweet onion, some sliced fresh garlic. All right, now personally, I like a little heat, so I'm going to use spicy Italian sausage. I'm gonna season it with a little garlic salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. I'm just gonna let that brown a bit before we add our marinara sauce. So, our spicy Italian sausage and seasonings have been getting at work. We have our rigatoni pasta boiling there. You know, you can use any pasta you want. Usually, this baked ziti, you can use rotini, rigatoni, mozzarella, whatever you want. But anyway, so we are going to incorporate our sauteed onion and garlic from earlier. Here. And let that go just a hair longer before we add the marinara. Man, I wish I could smell this. All right, I am going to use classical fire roasted tomato and garlic. Again, you could use any marinara or tomato sauce that you prefer. I'm just going to add a bit, mix it up, and then add as I go. And then we're going to let this just blend in, cook down, simmer down for, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes or so, whatever you see fit. Okay, so now we have 2 eggs, ricotta cheese, they're buried underneath. We have an Italian blend of shredded cheese, mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, romano, fontina, nasiago. We also have grated parmesan, asiago, and romano, and some Italian seasoning. We're going to blend this together, or mix it together, I should say, and mix it with our meat sauce as well as our noodles. All right, and it's gonna end up looking like something like that there. Yes, sir. At this point, we add our meat sauce as well as our pepperoni. And we're gonna mix that before we add it to the pan before it bakes. All right, got her panned up. Topped with some Parmesan and Asiago and Romano cheeses, and about to hit the oven. We'll see what she looks like in about 25, 30 minutes. Stay tuned. And here's the finished product. Hopefully it's edible. Let's see. And let's see here. Okay. And there you have it. So I did forget to say, bake at 375 for 25 to 30 minutes. Serve it with garlic toast, cheese sticks, breadsticks, mozzarella sticks, side salad, whatever the hell you want. It's that simple. Stay tuned for the next video. Super Dad's Cooking. Appreciate you.